down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
I will no longer be playing for Germany at international level whilst they have this feeling of racism and disrespect. Mesut Ozil has just retired from international football at only 29, a shocking decision by the 2014 world champion. He explained himself in a moving letter, "I have two hearts, one German and one Turkish." Ozil has been violently criticised in Germany since their elimination from the 2018 World Cup's group stage. But it's not because of his athletic performance. He was mostly targeted for taking a photo with the Turkish President Erdogan because political relations between Germany and Turkey are tense. Because of this photo, some people think Ozil feels more Turkish than German. Fans attacked him. The player has received death threats, hate mail, threatening phone calls, racist comments on social media. They all represent a Germany of the past, a Germany not open to new cultures, and a Germany that I am not proud of. Whilst I grew up in Germany, my family background has its roots firmly based in Turkey. For me, having a picture with President Erdogan wasn't about politics or elections. It was about respecting the highest office in my family's country. My job is a football player and not a politician. Still, after the World Cup, the Arsenal player was destroyed by the press and the German Football Association. Maybe we should have considered to be without him on a sporting level. He is unaware of what people in Germany expect from a national player. Ozil has been playing like shit for years. He was also dropped by some partners and sponsors. He was supposed to visit a school in Germany for a charity project, but the school didn't want him to come anymore. Since he feels unwelcome and persecuted for his Turkish origins, Ozil has decided to give up. "I am a German when we win, an immigrant when we lose. I feel unwanted and think that what I have achieved since my international debut in 2009 has been forgotten. I used to wear the German shirt with such pride and excitement, but now I don't." He scored 23 goals in 92 matches with the national team. Ozil's retirement is a huge loss for Germany, and a huge disappointment for football fans. But like Ozil said, racism should never, ever be accepted.